Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool on the front here, and basically what this is a GorillaPod from the Joby brand, and this is a 3K kit. So obviously for this brand, they actually have a lot of different type of like tripods that's very similar to design as this one, but for each one of them are slightly different. Some of them are designed for point and shoot camera like the one right here. Some of them are actually much stronger for you guys to use it for like DSLR. And some of them are designed for you guys to only use it for like small cameras like your GoPro or even for like a smart camera or something. But for this one, for the 3K GorillaPod, it actually supports it for like regular cameras and also for some DSLR as well. So for example, like this Sony ZV-1, or if I want to use it for my Sony a6400, it can support it as well. But if you guys go any bigger than this one right here, it may not support the weight and you probably have to go for like a bigger size, like the 5K kit. But for the one that we got right here, it is the 3K kit. So I'm actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so first thing inside right here, they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And already did that, we have the actual product right here. If you can see, it definitely looks and feels like a high quality material and high quality product. Especially for each part right here, the way how to design it actually feels super nice. It definitely has like the non-slip material for each different section, so that way when you guys use this to like grip it onto like a pole or something, it prevents it from like slipping off because of the non-slip material that's on here and also the bottom as well. But when you see on top right here, we do have the brand logo, and then for right here we do have a little leveler, so that way when you guys are using it, you guys can see whether or not the actual camera or the actual tripod is level or not. And the cool thing about this top right here, it does have a flexible head, so that way when you guys adjust it, you guys can move it around how you guys want to. And then for this part right here, you guys can actually move all the way down, so that way you can use the camera to record vertically for like TikTok or something if you guys want to. But once you guys set it to wherever you guys want to, you guys can lock it in place like this. So once you guys have it locked in, then it's all set. And for the top part here, we do have the option for you guys to take it out really easily. So that way you can mount this and screw this onto your DSLR or your point and shoot camera, especially if you guys use the bottom part right here. And then once you guys set it right here, you guys can clip it back in like this, and it's all set. But definitely the coolest thing about this part right here is the fact that the bottom part here, you guys can adjust it however you guys want to. So if you guys adjust it like this and put it onto a flat surface, or if you guys want to grip it on somewhere like your arm or your pole or something, you guys can do that as well. So just like this. Alright. So if you guys want to grip it onto your arm or your pole or somewhere, you guys can definitely do that on here. Because for each different section of the actual balls on here is actually flexible. So that way you can flex it however you guys want and grip it to wherever you guys want as well. And I feel like there's a lot of brands out there nowadays that are copying or have a very similar design as a GorillaPod. We actually give you guys that flexible tripod option to grip it onto like a pole or something, which is definitely pretty cool. But after testing so many of them, I feel like a lot of them are very cheap. And after testing out like the GorillaPod and the Joby brand is so much better because it feels like a high quality product and doesn't feel like it's breaking anytime soon. But obviously for the product, you guys are not limited to just using it for like gripping onto a pole or something. If you guys want to set up a camera on here and do vlogging, you guys can do that as well. And then also for the top part here, if you guys want to use this option, you guys can take it out really easy like this. So that way you can set up your camera on here instead of using the flexible head if you guys want to. And if you guys are curious about what the weight capacity or the weight limit on here is 6.6 pounds. So as long as whatever camera you guys put on here or camera gear that you guys put on here does not exceed 6.6 pounds, then you guys are fine. But if your camera gear weighs more than 6.6 pounds, you probably want to go for the 5K kit, because that one's much more stronger and probably will support your weight that this one will not. So that is everything that's on the bar right here. Let me just set it up on camera to show you guys how to install it and how to set up and what it actually looks like. So first thing I want to do is take off this part right here. I just want to set it up to my ZV-1 camera here. So just want to screw it in. Alright. So once you guys got that part set up, you guys want to just insert this onto the tripod. So just like this. Snap it in, and it's all set. And then once you guys have that all set up, you can adjust this part right here however you guys want to. So let's say if I want to go this way. Once you guys have it all set up, then it's all set. So if you guys want to do vlogging, or if you guys want to set this up onto like a tree or like your table, you guys can use it however you guys want to. And obviously for each one of these parts right here, like I mentioned, if you guys want to flex it, you can bend it however you guys want to. So that is why they call it GorillaPod, so that way you actually can grip it wherever you guys want to. And not use it just like a regular tripod where you can just put it in one area. You can grip it on a tree or a branch or a pole or anywhere else. So if you guys want some ideas in terms of how to use it, you can get some ideas right here. So you definitely can put it down onto a flat surface if you guys want to, or uneven surface as well. Or you can grip it onto a pole like this, or you can set it up like that for your lighting or even for your camera. And right here you can see there's more ways as well. The product is definitely really cool for you guys to use it however you guys want to, especially since there's so many different options available for you guys to use it with or without the flexible head as well. So that is everything that's on the bar right here. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality tripod that's everything that's on here. In terms of the grip option, where you can stick it onto a pole or grip it onto a pole, or if you guys want to use like a regular tripod, you can definitely do that as well. And also if you guys want everything that's included on here, in terms of the flexible head and everything, then I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.